You know, Facebook never wants its users to delete their accounts, and that's why you don't easily get this option on Facebook. But if you really want to delete your account, don't worry. I'm here to share all the step-by-step process. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get started. First, open your Facebook. Now at the top right corner, click on this three-line icon. Now there is a small settings icon at the top side, just click there. And now you will reach to the settings and privacy page. So here is an account center option. Just click on see more in account center. Now scroll down a little bit and click on personal details. Now you'll see your account details here. Click on the last option, account ownership and control. You will get two more options here. Number 1 is memorialization and number 2 is deactivation or deletion. Just click on deactivation or deletion. Again, you will see your Facebook account name. Just click there. Finally, you will get this page. If you select deactivate account and then click on continue, your account won't be deleted. Rather, it will be hidden from Facebook for a few days. And later, if you want to use the same account, then you can do it too just by entering your user ID and passwords. But if you want to permanently delete your Facebook account, select delete account and now click on continue. Now Facebook will ask you some questions with preset answers. If your reason matches with any one of them, then select the reason and now click on continue. And as soon as you click on continue, your account will be deleted permanently. And this is how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel.